In this video, we'll explore the best air compressors on the market, highlighting top models for performance, reliability, and value. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or heavy-duty tasks, we've got the perfect air compressor for you. Not everyone needs a massive air compressor taking up space in their workshop. If that's you, the Metabo HPT EC1315's The Tank could be the perfect solution. With its 225 psi max pressure, it offers 38% more usable air than standard compressors, reducing downtime. Its 5.0 CFM at 90 psi can power multiple tools at once, making it ideal for demanding job sites. Weighing just 93 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its size, and the rubber tires make it easy to move around, even on rough terrain. The 8-gallon tank means less refilling, while the oil-free motor reduces maintenance. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the performance, portability, and low-maintenance design make it a solid investment for professionals. If you're after reliable, powerful performance, this compressor is tough to beat. We've seen a lot of portable air compressors on the market, but the California Air Tools CAT 1P1060S stands out with its ultra-quiet performance. What we love about this model is its ability to operate at just 56 decibels A, making it one of the quietest compressors around. With a 1-gallon steel tank and a 0.6 horsepower motor, it delivers 1.2 cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch. Perfect for tasks like inflating tires or powering airbrushes. The oil-free pump ensures minimal maintenance, and it's designed to last over 3,000 hours. Weighing only 29 pounds, it's easy to move around your workspace without hassle. At just $149, this is an affordable, reliable option for those who need a lightweight, quiet compressor for everyday tasks. Our top pick for quiet, high-performance air compressors is the DEWALT XTREME Quiet 2-stage. This model delivers 5.0 SCFM at 90 psi, providing fast recovery and steady airflow for multiple tools. What sets it apart is its ultra-low noise level of just 60.3 decibels A, perfect for indoor use or noise-sensitive environments. While DEWALT has other models with more power, this one strikes the balance between quiet operation and impressive durability. With a 200 psi max tank pressure and a 4,000-hour tested duty life, its oil-free design reduces maintenance, and with the large, flat-free wheels and telescoping handle, it's easy to transport around any job site. At $429, it's the ideal solution for those who need reliable performance without the loud noise. The Metabo HPT 36-volt multi-volt cordless air compressor offers plenty of benefits for those who need a portable solution without compromising on performance. With a 2-gallon tank and 135 psi max pressure, it delivers consistent air for tasks like nailing and airbrushing. The brushless motor is designed for efficiency, providing fast recovery times with 5 CFM at 90 psi. Weighing just 27.3 pounds, it's easy to carry from job to job. You can use it with a 36-volt multi-volt battery for mobility, or plug it in using the optional AC adapter for all-day power. Its oil-free design means less maintenance, and the all-metal roll cage ensures durability in tough environments. Priced at $299 for the tool-only version, it's a solid choice for those looking for a reliable portable air compressor without being tethered to a cord. Introducing the ROLAIR 9 HP Honda 20.1 CFM twin tank compressor. With a powerful 9-horsepower Honda engine, this compressor delivers a solid 20.1 CFM at 90 psi, making it ideal for demanding industrial tasks. The 9-gallon twin tank ensures a steady supply of air, and the compressor is built for durability, featuring cast-iron cylinders that can withstand high pressures. You'll appreciate the automatic shutoff feature, which protects the system from damage due to low oil levels, and the idle system that conserves fuel during downtime. Weighing in at 286 pounds, this unit is still easy to move thanks to its durable wheels. For safety, it comes with a retractable starter to prevent accidental engagement. Expect to pay around $2,450 for this powerhouse, which makes it a worthwhile investment for serious professionals.